Hey guys, now we will proceed with the question number 40. Here we are given with this part that says that in has to be taken as integration of tan raised to power nx dx where n is greater than 1, and also we are given a particular condition where it says I4 plus I6 is equal to a into tan raised to power 5x plus bx raised to power 5 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Then the ordered pair is. Now first we will start with the given things, and the first thing we can deduce it that in is integration tan nx dx. So I4 would be tan raised to power 4x dx integration. Similarly, I6 would be also tan raised to power 6x dx integration, and as the condition says that the LHS is I4 plus I6, so we will simply compute it. Let's look here. Tan 4x plus tan 6x dx with an integration. In this particular equation, we can simply take tan 4x common, and in the bracket we are left with 1 plus tan square x dx, and this particular thing is sec square x, as the 1 plus tan x square will be substituted as sec square x. In this particular equation we will simply take tan x and t, and the given equation will be transformed into sec square x into dx equal to dt. Now we will just have to get it behind the integration sign and the t for dt. Now we just have to solve this particular integral, which is very easy. The answer comes out to be tan 5, that t5 by 5 plus c, and the t over here is tan x, so we can substitute it and the answer would be tan 5x plus c. Now simply compare this equation to our given equation. It says a into tan 5x plus b 5x plus c. By comparing both these equations, we can see that a comes out to be 1 by 5 but b is 0, because in the result there is no x raised to power 5 term, so simply b is equal to 0, and then the constant. So our answer comes out to be a equal to 1 by 5 and b equal to 0, so the first option is correct.